Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all, I'll show you the fastest way to enter this mode, to open this mode, apply it basically. All you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully of course, and here in this section we have to swipe in order to find proper icon, which is the night light. As you can see, this is the number of the eye comfort mode in this device. Not the number, the name, sorry. So in order to turn it on, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it has, I would say, dual colors. It is because that your device just applied the blue light filter, so it will be easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, for example. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. You can enter more settings of the night light just by tapping on it and holding it, but I'd like to show you the full path of how to enter this section. So let's enter the settings, then we have to scroll to find the display and find the night light. Again, of course, here we can turn it on, but just tap on this option to enter the settings. Let's turn it on, of course. And probably here you can really see the difference. So what I've just told you about. Here we've got two different options, thanks to which we can customize the night light, the intensity. First of all, by using the switcher, we can make it cooler. So this mode is not really that visible. Or we can go to the right and we can make it almost orange. What is more, we can schedule that feature. We can turn it on custom time. So we can pick the start and the end time, and we've got also the sunset and sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrises are. I believe it is location based. If you will pick none, it simply means that you want to turn on and off this option manually. Alright, so let me turn it off. Alright, so basically this is it. This is how to use the night light or eye comfort mode in your Motorola Edge 40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.